Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. My name is Monika, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop to create an animation from your Illustrator animated artboards. So I've created a couple of videos how to create animation in Adobe Illustrator, and I have used the plugin GIF Studio to export them into animated GIFs. Now, maybe you want to first try that out if animation is something you're going to have fun with, or if you can use it and then maybe you don't want to buy that plugin. And I get that. You first want to try it out and you want to use existing software. So why not use Photoshop? And in order to do that, you can start from that animation you already created, spread over several artboards, and then in Illustrator you go to File and then Export for screens. And in there you can choose the location where your files get saved, and you can click on here and select something. I have already created a folder for that, so let's just cancel that. And then you can also select the size. You can scale it in here if you think it's too small, but we're going to leave that all. And then you take care that all of these are checked. You can just click on all and then go to Export Artboard. They already exist. And what we see in here is that they are named with the logical numbers. So that's important. So they can be sorted automatically. And let's just replace them. There they are. So next thing, we are going to Photoshop, and in there go to File and then Scripts and load files into stack. So this is the German version, but the command is load files into stack. And there you go to your folder where they are, and then select them all and open them. So there they are. And you see they are not sorted logically. So we sort them by name, and then it's nice because we need that in order for the animation to work. Then you go to OK, and Photoshop loads them all into the same file as layers. And that takes a little while. So until it's finished, we take a look at what we need. The timeline is already there. It's down here. If it's not there, you go to Window and then Timeline. So this is the German version. Also, we take a look at the layers. So we go to the Layers panel, and there you see they are all in the correct order, like so. So the next thing is you pull up that menu here, and we don't need the video timeline, but the frame animation, and then click on Make Frame Animation. And in the menu of the timeline panel, you create frames from layers. That's it. They are all set to 0 seconds, so they will play at maximum speed. Let's test that. Looks nice. It's set to endless repeat in here. And now we can go to File and then Export and Save for Web, like so. There you can set up the GIF options and just save it. And let's call it banner and just save it. It's already there, so let's replace it, like so. And that's how you can use your existing software to make GIF animations. If you don't have Photoshop, you can also search for GIF software on the web. There are a couple of generators available that you can use to create an animated GIF from existing raster files. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.